How to fix the issue where the iPhone caller can't hear your voice. So if you're making a call on your iPhone and your voice isn't being picked up, I'm going to show you how we can go in and fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is go and check your microphone port. So it may be the case that dust or debris is kind of built up in the microphone itself, and this can cause the issue where your microphone's not working. So if you come down to the bottom of your iPhone, you'll see these small little circles down here. So if you have something quite small or something quite sharp, you can essentially use this to dig out any dust or any dirt that's collected in these circular holes. And once you've tried cleaning that out, you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you want to do is just rule out any issues with the microphone itself. So if you just unlock your iPhone and go and search for Voice Memos and click on this app here, you can click on this record icon at the bottom. You can then start speaking into your microphone. Once you finish the recording, just hit the stop recording button, and then you can go and play that voice recording back and check to see if you can hear your voice. If you can hear your voice, then it's obviously an issue with the phone line itself, and if you can't hear your voice, then there could be an issue with your microphone. Now, the next solution is you can go and open up the settings app on your phone. You can then scroll down to General and click on this. Click on Software Update and just ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes outdated software can also cause issues with your microphone. Once you've done that, come back over to the previous settings page. We're then going to click on Bluetooth and go and turn off your Bluetooth. You can then come back over to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility and click on this. Then scroll down to Audio and Visual and select that. And then scroll down to Balance, and you want to make sure this slider here is set to the middle. So it should say 0 in the middle, just like this. And once you've done that, you can check to see if your microphone's now working. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and you're still having an issue with your microphone, then what you can do is come back over to the main settings page. We can then click on General, scroll right down to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click on Reset. And then you want to click on the Reset All Settings button. You may need to just go and enter the passcode to your iPhone to confirm these changes. And once you've done that, that should have solved any issues with people not being able to hear your voice. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.